Stocks hold steady as investors await key Fed decision. Stocks traded with little movement on Thursday, December 4th, as markets consolidated ahead of next week's pivotal Federal Reserve meeting. Market snapshot. A pause before the Fed's three major indexes hovered near the flat line. This quiet trading reflects a market in wait-and-see mode, with investors highly confident the central bank will cut its key interest rate by a quarter percentage point at its December 10th meeting. According to the CME FedWatch tool, traders now assign an 87% probability to a rate cut, a sharp increase from just weeks ago. Conflicting labor market signals. The conviction for a Fed cut stems from recent signs of a cooling job market, despite mixed data on Thursday. Job cuts mount. A report from Challenger, Gray and Christmas showed U.S. employers have announced over 1.17 million layoffs in 2025, the highest year-to-date total since the 2020 pandemic. This follows Wednesday's surprising ADP report showing private sector job losses. Claims counterpoint. Conversely, weekly jobless claims unexpectedly plunged to 191,000, the lowest level since September 2022. However, economists widely attributed the sharp drop to seasonal distortions around the Thanksgiving holiday and expect figures to rebound in coming weeks. Stock movers. Earnings drive individual action. Corporate earnings created divergence beneath the market's calm surface. Salesforce CRM rose more than 3% after issuing a stronger-than-expected revenue forecast. Snowflake fell about 8% after its product revenue guidance disappointed investors. UiPath jumped 8% following an earnings and revenue beat. What's next? Inflation data in focus with the labor picture sending mixed messages. Wall Street's final major clue before the Fed meeting will come Friday morning with the release of the personal consumption expenditures index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. The data, delayed from October, will show whether price pressures continued to ease in September and will heavily influence the tone of the Fed's decision. The bottom line, markets are treading water, having largely priced in a December rate cut driven by softening employment trends. All attention is now on tomorrow's inflation data and the Fed's official call next Wednesday.